Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show or hide WooCommerce checkout field in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on checkout page, you see different field. So we are going to hide or show. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write checkout field manager. So this is plugin checkout field manager, checkout manager for WooCommerce we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see checkout. So click on it. Now scroll down you see billing. So click on it. Now you see billing field. Now here you see different field, first name, last name, company name. If you want you can add new field also. Now you see disable. Now go to checkout page. Now we are going to hide company name. Now again go to checkout setting and then you see company name, disable. Now you see disable and then click on save changes. Now setting saved and go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down. You see company name is hide. Now go to setting again. Again click on it. Now enable and scroll down. Click on save changes. Now settings saved and go to checkout page and again refresh the page. Now scroll down. Again you see company name field. By using plugin you will hide or show checkout field according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.